Hello friends, I'm Naishik from blogtut.com, and today in this video I'll show you how to set up WooCommerce in your WordPress website step by step. We'll see the complete WooCommerce setup including shipping, taxes, coupons, stock management, order management, etc. We'll also see new feature added in the WooCommerce, that is the WooCommerce dashboard and analytics. This video will be helpful for both the scenarios. If you have already created a website, you can watch this tutorial and convert your website into an e-commerce website. And if you haven't yet created a website, you can still watch the video and start an e-commerce website from scratch. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to come to your dashboard to start this thing. So to come to your dashboard, you should know this. You have to type in your website name, put a /wp-admin. You will come to this page. Now what you have to do is to start using WooCommerce, we need to first install the WooCommerce plugin. So for that, from the left hand side, you'll see these plugins. Hover that and click on add new. Now here in the search bar, in the search plugins, type in WooCommerce. Now install this one, WooCommerce. Just click on install now. This is WooCommerce by Automatic, and this has got around 4 million plus active installations. So make sure you install and activate this one. Once it is installed, click on this blue activate button. Okay, so when you activate the plugin, you will see this quick setup. Now, if you don't see this, you can do one thing. You can type in your website name, whatever your website name is. And after that, type in this thing, wp-admin/index.php ? Page is equal to wc-setup. The thing that you see on your screen in the URL bar, just type in this thing and you will get this thing. The quick setup. This quick setup is quite important because this will create few pages for you. So you don't have to create pages. This will automatically create 4 pages for you. Okay, now let's see what we have in this quick setup. So first of all, you have to enter your store location. So if your store is, or if your business or your store is located in India, you can just type in India. If it is located in some other country, just type in that country name. After that, enter your address. So I'll just enter Mumbai everywhere. Now make sure to enter your postal code, city, your state. So let me enter my state. Now choose the currency that you want to use on your website. So if you want to use Indian currency, just type in Indian rupee. If you want to use some Australian dollar or USA dollar, so I'll be using USD, United States dollar. So I'll just select that thing. Now leave everything like this. Just click on let's go. Now here, whether you want to use PayPal or not, so I highly recommend using PayPal. So I'll make sure this is tick mark and I'll click on continue. Now this will ask you to set up shipping. So if you want to ship, now for now you can just untick these things. So make sure you make these things off because we'll be looking at shipping in more detail later on in this video. So make sure you just untick this thing. Now here you have to select dimension, like for weight, what do you want to use, kilograms, grams, pounds, ounces. So it depends on your country, whether in your country grams and kilograms is common or pounds and ounces is common. So in India, grams and kilograms is common, but here also it depends on your product also. For example, if you're selling bulky products like television, a refrigerator, kilograms which would be a better option. But if you're selling something like t-shirt, mobile phones, then I think grams would be better. So select that, and after that select whether you want millimeter, centimeter, inches, whatever you want. Select those things. So make sure to select the weight and this height and everything. Now click on continue. After that, it will recommend you few things. Now we don't want to use any one of these, so I'll not click on continue this time. I'll click on this link which is given at the bottom. Skip this step. Click on that link. Now this will also ask you to install Jetpack, but still I don't want to do this. So I'll again click on this link, skip this step. Alright, now the setup is complete. Now we can visit our dashboard. So click on this button, visit dashboard. We skipped the setup of Jetpack, we skipped the setup and installation of Jetpack, but still it got installed. So first we need to uninstall it. So for that, again, you can click on plugins. Here it is, Jetpack by WooCommerce.com or WordPress.com. Deactivate it first of all, and now delete it. Okay, so once it is done, now once you do the quick setup of WooCommerce, you'll get this button, test drive the future of WooCommerce, that is install WooCommerce admin dashboard. Now this is a new feature which is added just few days ago. Now if you hover WooCommerce right now, you'll see the top option is orders, but when you do this setup, you'll get a new option, dashboard option. That is a very useful option. So let's do this setup also. So click on this install WooCommerce admin button. Now click on activate plugin. Now when you hover over WooCommerce, you'll see a new option called dashboard. So this option is now added. Now when you click on pages, let's see what happens. As you can see, 4 pages is already created for you: shop page, my account page, checkout page, and cart page. So this is the main purpose of WooCommerce quick setup. Now let's see the WooCommerce setup in detail, all the taxes, shipping, all these settings in detail. So for that, you will hover over WooCommerce and click on settings. Now you guys should note one thing, that this video will be explaining everything in detail related to WooCommerce and e-commerce website. But in this video, we are not going to cover any designing website like this. For example, this is how my website looks right now, because I just installed WordPress and this is how it looks. But if you want to design your website, if you want to learn the WooCommerce but also design the website, you can watch a video on my channel. When you watch that video, you will learn how to create this beautiful website. As you can see, this beautiful e-commerce website for free. So this website that you see on your screen is created using all free resources, using free plugins, free page builder, free theme. Everything was free when I created this thing. Okay, so using only free resources, you can watch or you can create this amazing and beautiful website. So make sure to watch that tutorial. That's the tutorial link or the video link is also given in the video description below, so you can see that. Now if you want to search that on YouTube, you can go to youtube.com and you can type in Nayyar Sheikh e-commerce 2019 and you'll see the first video in the result, how to create a free e-commerce website. That is the video. So make sure to watch that video if you want to learn complete e-commerce website. Alright, now let's go to the general settings. Let's come back over here. So first thing that we have over here is, as you can see, we have few tabs: general, products, shipping, payments, and everything. So first is general setting. In general setting, most of the settings are already done in the quick setup, but still let's see if you have missed anything. So we have the address. If you have not already entered your address, you can do it from here, pin code and everything. Now which all countries do you want to sell to? So if you want to sell to specific countries, select this thing. So I want to sell to only 2 countries. I'll be selling in India and in USA. Okay, so I'm selecting only these 2 countries. Now which all countries will you be shipping your products to? So obviously we'll be shipping our products to all the countries that we sell to. So select this option, ship to all countries you sell to. Now customer default location should be geolocate. Now enable taxes. At present, if you see at the top, we have general tab, products tab, shipping tab, but we don't have the taxes tab. But when you enable this thing, taxes and calculation, you will see a new tab after that. After that, we have the currency option. If you see, we have the currency option. So which currency do you want to use? Currency position, number of decimals you want to use, what is the decimal separator, what is this thousand separator. So you can select these options and click on save changes. Then after that, click on products tab. Now here the first option is shop page. So for shop page, make sure this shop thing is selected. The shop page option is selected. Make sure cart or checkout or any other page is not selected over here. Only shop page should be selected. Now add to cart behavior. What happens when someone clicks on add to cart button? Whether you want to redirect them to cart page after successful addition. So make sure to not tick mark the first option. Make sure the first option is unticked, because if it is tick mark, if they click on add to cart button, they will be directly redirected to the cart page. We don't want to do that. Enable Ajax add to cart on archives. Make sure this is tick marked. Now placeholder, image, weight unit and all those things are good. Enable reviews. Do you want to enable reviews? Do you want people to come on your website and leave reviews? So yes, obviously that is a good option. Show verified owner label on customer review. Now this is also a very good option. Now if I have made a purchase, if I have purchased this product and when I review this product, when I leave a review for this product, besides my name, it will say that this person is a verified owner. So very good option. Now whether you want to enable this thing, reviews can only be left by verified owners. So if you want to tick mark this, it all depends on you. If you want to untick it, it all depends on you. Now whether you want to enable star rating, so here as you can see, just like this, star rating is enabled, and so it is good. Star rating is obviously good option, so make sure this thing is tick marked. Now click on save changes. Now under products, we have another option, inventory option. Click on that. Now whether you want to enable stock management. So in stock management, what happens is if you enter the stock, we'll see, you'll understand these things later on. It is quite difficult for me to explain these things right now. When we create a product and when we see that result on our website, you will understand everything in more detail. But for now, you can just enable stock management, and you can enable notices. So whenever your stock reaches low stocks, and you can set a threshold for low stock and out of stock here. So whenever your stock of any particular product reaches that low stock threshold, you will get a notification on your email address. And whenever your product is out of stock, you will get a notification that a particular product is out of stock. Okay, so just refill it or restock it as soon as possible. You'll get such notification. Now you can enter the email address on which you want to receive those notification. Now low stock threshold and out of stock threshold can be set from here. So if you set low stock threshold to 2 or 3, for example, if I have set this to maybe 5, so what happens is whenever a particular product stock reaches 5, so for example, if I added this product on my website and I have 10 products in stock, now if 5 products is sold, I have 5 in stock. So whenever I have 5 products in stock, as you can see, I have set 5 products stock as low stock threshold. So whenever the stock reaches 5, I'll get a notification that your product is low in stock. And whenever maybe the product reaches 2, I'll get a out of stock notification. Or whenever the product stock reaches 0, when this product is sold out, I'll get a notification that a particular product on your website is sold out, it is out of stock. Okay, so this is very useful. So you can just click on save changes. Now downloadable products. Now few settings related to downloadable products, whether login is required for downloadable products. So you can just enable this thing. Get access to downloadable products after payment. Yes, good option. Now let's see taxes. So click on taxes option. Now make sure price entered with tax. Second one is selected exclusive of tax. Now tax based on which address, shipping address or billing address, you can select this option. And here we have shipping classes or additional tax classes. So 2 tax classes are already created, 0 rate and reduce rate. If you want, you can create a new tax rate or tax class. So I'll be creating a new one. So what I'll do is I'll click on over here, press enter so that I come to next line and just enter the tax name. So for example, in India, we have GST. So I'll type in GST. If you have VAT, GST, whatever the tax name is, just enter that tax and click on save changes. Now when you enter any name over here, you'll get a new option at the top, GST rate, as you can see. Now you can click on that GST rate and you can create different tax rates over here. Now if you're from a country, for example, I'm in India and we have a GST system, but if you're from some other country and if you have a VAT system, so you can just enter a new, you can just click on this insert row, enter your country code name. For example, if your country is USA, you can just type in US. Now as you can see, I get this option US for United States. So that is the country code for US. Now suppose if you're selling t-shirts on your website and suppose the tax rate for t-shirt is 10%. So what you can do is you can just type in US, go to tax rate, type in 10, give it any name. For example, just name it VAT, untick this shipping and click on save changes and your taxation settings will be done. But in India, we follow a different type of tax rate. So first I'll have to explain you that system which is followed in India, and after that we'll see how to do that settings on the screen. So in India, what happens is, for example, if my website or if my store is located in Maharashtra, which is a state in India, so if the customer who is purchasing a product from my store is also from the same state, that is Maharashtra, then if the tax rate is 10%, 5% of the tax rate will go to central government and 5% will go to Maharashtra government. Now if the customer is purchasing my product from my store from another state, for example Madhya Pradesh, which is another state in India, now in this case, if the tax rate is 10%, 5% will still go to central government, but the rest of the 5% will now go to Madhya Pradesh government. This time it will not go to Maharashtra government, which is my state. It will go to customer's state, or the customer which is purchasing from that state. Okay, so that is how it works. So now let me do one thing. Let me select and remove this thing. Now let me add GST rate. So I'll click on insert row. Under country code, I'll type in India, IN for India. Now this is for central governments. I'll leave state, postal code and city blank. So whether a person is purchasing from any state, any postal code, any city in India, this thing will be applied. Now if the tax rate is 10%, I'll enter half of that, so 5%. Tax name, I'll name it CGST, central government's GST. Priority will be 1. I'll untick shipping. Now I'll click on insert row. Now this time I'll just enter IN again, but in state code I'll enter Maharashtra. So this tax setting that we are doing right now is for everyone who is purchasing from Maharashtra state. Okay. Now postal code and city I'll leave blank. I'll just go to rate and type in 5% again. And this time I'll name it SGST, states GST. Okay. Now again I'll type in insert row and I'll type in India. Now this time I'll add another state, maybe MP, 5%, and tax name will be IGST. Priority will be 2 for this. For this also Maharashtra government also priority will be 2. Only the state government, the central government priority will be 1. Rest all the states priority will be 2. Now similarly you can add all the other states and you can enter tax rate 5%. Name of the tax will be IGST and priority will be 2. Now click on save changes. Now we'll see how this thing works and whether this thing works properly or not. So again, if you see over here, if the person is purchasing, now let me explain you about the priority. Why we have one priority as 1 and 3 other priorities set to 2. So let's understand this thing. Now here, if multiple options have a same priority number, then only one of those options will be applied. For example, here as you can see, this also GJ also has a priority of 2, MH also has a priority of 2 and MP also has a priority of 2. So all 3 options have a priority of 2. Now when a person is purchasing a product from your website, only one of these 3 will be applied. So what happens is, if the person is purchasing from MP, which is a state in India, this one will be applied, and these 2 GJ and MH will not be applied. If the person is purchasing from Maharashtra, which is MH, this one will be applied and these 2 will not be applied. But here we have priority 1. So priority 1 will be applied every single time. Whether the person is purchasing from GJ, MH, MP, wherever, the priority 1 will always be applied and priority 2 will apply only if the person is from a particular state. Okay, so I hope that is cleared. If it is not clear, don't worry. Just do the same settings that I have done over here. Now let's come to shipping. So click on shipping. Now click on add shipping zone. Now if you remember in the general settings, I have done the setting that I'll be selling in 2 countries, in India and in USA. Now obviously the shipping cost for India will be different and the shipping cost for USA will be different. My business is based in India, so for me shipping products in India is quite easy, but shipping product in USA it's quite difficult. It will be quite expensive. So I'll have to create different zones for different rates. So first let me create a zone for USA. So I'll name this zone USA. Under zone region, just select USA. Type in United States and select that option. Now click on save changes. Now let's click on add shipping method. Now make sure flat rate is selected and click on add shipping method. Now click on edit. Now if you want your shipping cost to be $1, you can just type in $1 in the cost. That's fine. Click on save changes. But when you do this setting, when you just enter $1, there is going to be one problem over here. If the person purchases 1 t-shirt from your website, they will be charged $1. That is fine. But if the person purchases 100 t-shirts from your website, he will still be charged just $1. So this is the problem over here. So to fix this thing, what you can do is you can type in 1.00, give a space, give a asterisk, and in the square bracket type in QTY. Now close the square bracket. Now this time this is a short formula. It says $1 into whatever the quantity is. So if the quantity is 1 into 1. If the quantity is 50, 1 into 50, $50. Okay, so that is how it works. Now after this, just click on save changes. Now this is for USA. Okay, so whatever, so not for USA, let's make it $5. Okay, fine. So for USA, if someone is purchasing a product from USA, shipping cost will be $5. So if the product price is $10, the shipping cost is $5, he will total have to pay $15. Now, if you're selling different type of product on your website, let me show you one more option. For example, if you're selling refrigerators and also mobile phones, obviously the shipping cost for a refrigerator will be totally different from the shipping cost of a mobile phone. So let's see how we can fix this thing. So for that, you can click on shipping classes and you can add a new class. So I can click on add shipping class. I can just name this class as refrigerator. Now just enter the name and click on save changes. You don't need to do anything else. Just come back to shipping zones. Here we have USA, edit this. Now edit this flat rate. Now as you can see, you get new options: shipping class cost, refrigerator, shipping class cost. So now let me do one thing, copy this formula, paste it over here. Now if the person is purchasing a refrigerator, the shipping cost will be $10 instead of $5. And under no shipping class cost, now delete this thing or cut this thing from here, this formula, and paste that under no shipping class cost. So if the person is purchasing refrigerator, they will have to pay $10, and if the person is purchasing any regular product on our website, it will be $5, okay, per quantity shipping rate. Click on save changes. Now this is done for USA. Now let's very quickly create another shipping zone for India. Click on shipping zones. Click on add shipping zone. Let's name it India. So I'll just type in India. Now here also there can be one scenario. If you want different shipping rate in India for different states, you can do that as well. For example, you can create different shipping zones for that. For example, let me do one thing over here. What I'm doing is, if someone purchases from the same state, my business is located in Maharashtra state. So if the person purchasing from same state, if the customer is also from Maharashtra, I will charge less shipping cost. And if the person is from other state, any other state other than Maharashtra, I'll charge a higher price. Okay, so you can do similar setting. So I'll name it India, and in the bracket I'll type in MH. In shipping zone, I'll type in Maharashtra. Click on click on save changes. Now click on add shipping method. Flat rate, click on add shipping method. Edit this thing. Now in refrigerator, for this is for India, by the way, it is not USA now. So for India, refrigerator cost will be maybe $2, and no shipping cost, which is regular product, will be $1. Fine. $2 for refrigerator, or maybe $3 for refrigerator and $2 for any regular product sold on the website. Now click on save changes. Now again, I'll click on shipping zones, go back to shipping zones, create another zone, create another shipping zone. So click on add shipping zone. Just type in India. Now under zone region, I'll select all the other states. Okay, all the other states are just leaving my own state. I'll select all the other states. So make sure you can just do that. Select all the other states, click on save changes. Now click on, let me add Gujarat, because I'll have to show you the example. So I'll select all the other states, click on add shipping method again. Edit this thing. Now enter whatever shipping rate you want. So for all the other state, refrigerator will be $5 and regular product will be $2.5. Okay, click on save changes. Now there could be one more thing. If you want to allow free shipping, if a person purchases maybe if a person makes a purchase of more than $100, and if you want to allow them free shipping, you can do that as well. You can do one thing, you can click on add shipping method, or you can just go to shipping zones, come back to shipping zones. You can edit all the options, USA, India, and all the other options. Click on add shipping method, select free shipping, click on add shipping method. Now edit free shipping and select this thing, a minimum order amount. So free shipping requires a minimum order amount, and under minimum order amount, type in $100. Click on save changes. Now when a person makes a purchase of minimum $100, he will be eligible for free shipping. Similarly, come back to shipping zones and do the same setting for all the other states. So India, Maharashtra, add shipping method, free shipping, minimum order amount of $100. save changes. Again, come back to shipping zones, and the third shipping zone, do the same settings. Click on add shipping zone, free shipping, add shipping zone. Again, click on edit and select minimum order amount and type in 100. Click on save changes. Alright guys, so this is also done. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to payment settings. So click on payments. Now the best payment according to me is PayPal, because in PayPal you have recurring. There are many options. First of all, PayPal is very widely used. Most of the people already have a PayPal account, so it is very easy to accept payment from PayPal. Also from PayPal you can accept directly credit and debit card payments, so that is also a very good option. And another option or another reason for using PayPal is that most of the countries now support PayPal. PayPal now supports many different currencies, so that is also a reason. And a very important reason for selecting PayPal over any other payment gateway is that PayPal does automatic refund. So if someone asks for a refund, if a person purchases a product on your website and if they ask for a refund, and if you complete that refund, PayPal will automatically send money to that person from your bank account. So that is also a very good option. You don't have to do all those manual things. Everything is done automatically over here. So if you want to set up PayPal, first of all, make sure you click on payments, and PayPal checkout is tick mark over here, just like this. Now after that, click on manage. Now here, make sure enable PayPal checkout is tick mark. Under title, you can change the title and description. Environment should be live, and now you need API username, password and signature. To get this thing, open a new tab and go to your PayPal account. Now log into your PayPal account. Now once you log into your PayPal account, you'll see this option seller tools. Just click on this link. You'll just see this link, seller tools. Click on that link. Now you'll get this option. What you have to do is you'll see this option API access, and besides that you'll see the update link. Click on that update link. Now you'll get many different options. You have to scroll down and select this option, MVP/API integration, and in bracket it says classic. Select this option, click on manage API credentials. Now you'll get all the three options over here: API username, password and signature. You simply need to click on this show link and you'll get your API username. Copy it from here. Come back to your website. Paste it under live API username. Similarly, do it for password and signature. Simply click on show. It will show your password. Copy it from here. Enter under password and show your signature. Copy and paste under live API signature. So I'll have to hide these things. Alright guys, so I have successfully copied and pasted all the three: username, password and signature. Now we need to scroll down and landing page. So for landing page, select this option, billing non-PayPal account. Select this option. Now, do you want to require phone number? So require billing address. All this option all again depends on you. Just go at the bottom and click on save changes. Only these three options were left. Alright guys, so this option is also done. Now you can come back. You can just go back to your payment settings. And if you want to enable cash on delivery, you can just tick mark this thing, cash on delivery. And this will enable cash on delivery. If you want to set up this option, click on setup. And if you want to change few things, like instead of cash on delivery, pay on delivery, if you want to change the name and everything, you can just select that thing. Now again, you can come back. Okay, so with this, payment method is also done. Now there are many payment methods available for WooCommerce. You can use that. There are different plugins that you can use. For example, for Stripe, also for PayUmoney, for Razorpay. I have different videos on that. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will see different videos on different payment methods. Let me show you. You can go to YouTube and type in something like Nayash Sheikh WooCommerce payments, maybe. Let's try. Okay, yeah, that will work. Like PayPal, if you want to directly accept credit and debit card payment from PayPal, you can watch this video. Stripe payment gateway, I had some more. Yeah, Razorpay for India. Razorpay is a very good option for Indians. So these different videos, you can watch these videos as well. Now let's do account and privacy. So click on accounts and privacy. Now whether do you want to allow customers to place order without an account. If you want to allow this, that's good. If you don't want to allow this, it all depends on you. Whether you want to allow customer to log in into an existing account during checkout, important option, make sure you tick mark this. Allow customers to create account during checkout, again make sure to tick mark this. Allow customers to create an account on my account page, tick mark this, important option. When creating an account, automatically generate username from customer's email address, fine, you can tick mark this. Creating an account, automatically generate an account password. I think this should be unticked because let us enable the person, let us give the freedom to the person to select their own password. After that, just go at the bottom and click on save changes. Now click on emails. Here you don't need to do anything, just make sure these three things, the top thing, new order, cancelled order and failed order, under that you have your email address properly. Okay, now after that go to advanced. Now over here make sure under cart page, cart is selected, checkout page, checkout is selected, and under my account page, my account is selected. Now rest everything is fine, just go at the bottom and click on save changes. Alright guys, so with this all the important WooCommerce settings are now done. Now we can do one more thing. If you want to see how a coupon is created, you can hover over WooCommerce and under that you will see this coupons option. Click on that. Now let's create our first coupon. Click on create your first coupon button. Now let's give a coupon code. So what should be the coupon code that a person will enter to get the discount? So maybe I'll create a new coupon code Nayyar10. So whenever someone enters this coupon code, they will get 10% discount. In description, you can type this same thing. Enter this coupon code to get 10% discount. I'll just type in get 10% discount. Now coupon type, what kind of coupon is this? Is it a fixed cart discount, fixed product discount, or percentage discount? So this is a percentage discount because we are selecting 10%. So I'll select percentage discount and under coupon amount I'll type in 10. Okay, so it will be 10%. If you select some other type, if you select fixed cart discount or fixed product discount, it will be a particular amount of money. For example, if you type 10 and if you select fixed product discount, a person will get 10% or $10 off that product. That is how it works. Now what do you want to have a expiry date for this coupon? So maybe this coupon is valid only till the end of this month. So I can select that expiry date. Now usage restrictions. Minimum a person has to spend $100 to get this discount and maximum $1,000. So you have minimum spend and maximum spend. Individual use only. Check this box if coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. Important option. We don't want people coming using 10 different coupons and ultimately getting the product for free. So I'll tick mark only this thing, that if the person wants to use, they can use only one coupon at a time. Now, do you want to exclude sale items? Maybe just tick mark this. I think it is an important option so that a person will not get, if there is already some sale going on the product, we don't want them to be using this coupon code and getting some additional discounts. So it all depends on you. If you want to tick mark this, tick mark it. If you want to untick it, just untick it. Now, if you want to exclude a particular product or include only a particular product for this coupon, you can do that as well. If you want to, allow this coupon only on a particular category, and if you want to exclude some particular category, you can do these things from here. After that, usage limit per coupon. Now, how many times this coupon can be used before it is just invalid? So maybe 10 times. Only 10 times this coupon can be used. Now limit usage to X items. Now how many items this coupon will be applying to? If you leave it blank, it will be applying to all the items in your website. Now how many times a particular user can use? So I'll just type in 1. So one user can use this coupon only once. So select these options. Now click on publish. So this is how you create a coupon. Now after this, let's see how we create a product, which is a very important thing. So for that, you can hover over products and click on add new. Now there are many different types of product: simple product, variable product, affiliate product, group product, digital product. We'll see all these things. Okay. First is simple product. So just let me just type in simple t-shirt. Okay, this is the title. Let me open a product so that you can see what is this thing. So this is a product. As you can see, this is not a simple product, this is a variable product. I'll explain you what is a simple and what is a variable product. So first we are taking a look at simple product. In simple product you have only one variation. In variable product you have different variations. For example, this is a variable product, in which means that this product is available in different variations. For example, it is available in different colors, it is available in different sizes. So this is what a variable product is, and a simple product is available only in one color and one variation. So that is what a simple product is. Now this is the title that we have entered, simple t-shirt. So your title will display like this thing. After this is the short description that you see over here, this text. This is the short description. Let me copy this. Now your short description will come over here under this thing. So just paste in this thing. Okay, this is your short description. Now at the top in this thing, your long description will come. So this is your long description. When you see at the bottom, this thing is your long description. So copy it and paste it over here. Okay, this is your long description. So short description and long description are now done. After that, you have to select the important things related to product. So as you can see, there are different types of product: simple, grouped, external or affiliate, and variable. First we'll create this simple product. So select this type, simple product, and enter the price. For example, if the product price is $100, just type in 100. Now whether this product is taxable, yes it is taxable. Now what is the tax class? Now tax class is GST. So I'll select that. Now under inventory, click on inventory. Now you can give a particular SKU number to a particular product. So SKU number stands for stock keeping unit number. So every single product has a different SKU, a unique SKU number. Now this is not compulsory. If you leave this thing blank, still you can publish your product, but this is for your good. For example, if this is a t-shirt, I can just type in t-shirt 001. This is the unique code for this particular t-shirt. Now, do you want to enable stock management? If you enable this thing, for example, if I have 25 products of this in stock, now whenever someone purchases one product will be deducted from this 25. Okay, so you will see how this thing works. Now click on shipping. Now what is the weight of this product in grams? So maybe 150 grams, dimension, length, width, weight, height, all those things you can enter that. Now this is a no shipping class, which is a regular product or a refrigerator. This is obviously not a refrigerator. This is just a regular shipping class. Now under linked and everything, just leave these things blank. Only 3 options were important: general, inventory, and shipping for simple product. Now at the right hand side, you have few more options. Product category. So different products can be from the same category. So for this, I'll create a new category, t-shirt. I'll type in t-shirt, click on add new category. New category has been added. Now you can give it different tags. For example, if it is red color, red can be a tag, cotton can be a tag if it is a cotton t-shirt. So you can give different tags. Now product image and product gallery. So this will be a product image, and all the images at the bottom will be the gallery images. Okay, so let's add a product image. Let's upload some image. Okay, so maybe I'll use this one. This is the main product image. Select this and click on set product image. And let's add some gallery images as well. Okay, so I'll click on add product gallery images. And let's upload these 3. Click on open. Now click on add to gallery. Now let's publish this product. So click on publish. Now once the product is published, you will see this link, view product. Open this link in a new tab. Let's see how our product looks like. Okay, so this is our product. This is the title. This is the image. This is the price, short, long description, everything. As you can see, 25 in stock. You can increase the quantity. You can add to cart, all these options, long description, short description, everything is perfectly working. So this is how you create a simple product. Now, obviously it is looking totally different because you have to design your website. Again, I'm saying if you want to learn how to design your website, how to design or how to create a perfect e-commerce website, everything from scratch, you can watch that video and you can create a beautiful website like this. So that video link is given in the video description below. make sure to watch that video, very important one. Now if you want to give some discount on this product, you can simply come over here and under sale price just enter whatever discount you want. So the regular price is $100. I want to sell it at a discounted price of $80, and I can schedule this discount. So maybe this discount is available only till the end of this month, so I can do that as well and click on update. Come back over here, refresh this product. Now as you can see, 100 is striked out and we have a new price, $80. So this is how you do that. And now we have this sale badge and banner over here. As you can see, sale badge is given, which means that this product is now available on sale. Now let me do one thing. Before creating any other product or any other type of product like simple, like variable and all those products. Let me show you one thing. Let's see whether the GST and everything is working or not. So let me do one thing. Let me add 2 products in cart. So I'll select 2, click on add to cart. Okay, so 2 added to cart. Let's click on view cart. Okay, this is the cart. Let's see whether shipping and everything is working. So we have this shipping calculator over here. We'll see that in the next page. Click on proceed to checkout. Now in order for this to work, first I'll have to enter all my details. So let me do that very quickly. Okay, as you can see, I have entered all my details and you have an option at the top, have a coupon. We'll see whether this coupon is also working or not. Now I have entered my name, country, state and everything. Now when you come at the bottom, the product price, because we have added 2 in the cart, it is $160. Subtotal is 160. Now we are getting 2 options. Shipping, we have a flat rate of shipping of $4 because 2 products are in the cart, and 1 product shipping cost is $2 and 2 product shipping cost is $4. Now, but at the same time, because we are making a purchase of more than $100, we are getting one more option. We can also opt for free shipping. So that option is also available. Now CGST is applied and SGST. CGST is applied, which is $8, and SGST also $8 because we are purchasing from the same state. If I change the state name to Gujarat or some other state, now that will be, instead of SGST, now it is IGST, as you can see. So which means that this is working fine. Now as you can see, everything is working. Cash on delivery is also available. PayPal option is also available. So all the options are available. Let's see whether coupon is available and whether coupon is working. So let's click here to enter your code. And the coupon code, if I'm not wrong, was in the year 10. Select that, click on apply coupon. Coupon code applied successfully. Let's scroll down. Now as you can see, coupon in the year 10 is applied and we are getting $16 discount. So these things, everything that we have created is now working. So let's again come back to the product. Now let's see some other types of products as well. So this was the simple product. Now let's see how a variable product is created. So to create a variable product, what we do is we first select variable from here. Okay. So I have selected, or let me do one thing. Let me just create a new product. So I'll click on add new. I'll name it men t-shirt. Now I'm leaving the, maybe let's just enter short and long description. This is the long description which is given at the bottom. So I'll enter the long description over here. Now this is the short description. So let me copy the short description, paste it over here. All right, now let us do main important settings. So under product data, we'll select variable product. Select that thing. Now whether it is taxable, what is the tax class? Tax class is GST. Inventory, if you want to enable stock management, you can select all those things. What is the weight of the product? Maybe 120 grams, height, width, length, all the options, you can select that. Now you have to come back to attributes. This is the most important option in this variable product. So as I've explained you earlier, a variable product is a product which is available in different variations, maybe in different sizes or colors and shapes. So let's create a new variable over here. So I'll select this option and click on add to add a new variable. So maybe this product is available in different design. Okay, so I'll just add a new, or maybe color. I'll just add a new variable of color. And here we have to enter the values. So maybe this is available in 2 colors. So red. Okay, after red, what you have to do, you have to enter, you have to click on shift plus backslash. When you do that, you will get this option, this pipe icon, okay, this straight line icon type of thing. So this is available in black and blue. So after in red and blue. So after red, you have to type in this thing. Again, I'm saying shift plus backward slash. You will get this option. After that, you have to enter another option. Now make sure these things are selected, visible on product page and used for variations. After that, click on save attributes. Alright, so this is available in 2 colors. Now you can create some more things. For example, just like this, it is available in different colors and also in different sizes. So similarly, you can just click on this add button and add a new variable of size or of pattern or of anything. Now go to variations, select this option. Instead of add variation, select this create variations from all attributes and click on go. Click on OK. Okay, it says 2 variations added. Click on OK. Now red. So for red, what image do you want? So let me select a red t-shirt. Maybe this image. Okay, so select this. Click on open. And what will be the price for this t-shirt? So maybe $100. And weight, dimension, unit, all these things you can just enter that. I'm not entering that. Now select the blue color t-shirt. Maybe this one blue color. I'll select this one blue color. Click on set variation image and price for this will be a little less, $80. Fine. Now from the left hand side, t-shirt category, product image will be maybe this product. Select that. Gallery images. I'll select these 4 images or maybe only 3 images. Click on add to gallery. Click on publish. Now let's view this product in a new tab. Okay, so this is the product. Let's see whether everything is working. So we have color. If you select red, as you can see, the image automatically changes and the price is now $100. Okay, as you can see over here, if I select blue, again the image automatically changes and the price is now $80. So this is how you create a variable product. Now let's create a new product, affiliate product or an external product. So maybe if you want to sell a book, so I'll just type in book. Maybe, yeah, I'll just type in book, any random book. Now similarly, you have already seen these things, short description, long description. You can copy paste anything under short or long description. So let me just very quickly copy and paste everything. Now if you want to use a variable or if you want to create an external or variable product, you will select the product type of external and variable. Now product URL. So in external or affiliate product, what happens is for example, if you are an affiliate for Amazon, you show the product on your website, but whenever someone clicks on that product, they will be redirected to Amazon. And when they make a purchase, you will get a small commission because you redirected that person to Amazon. So that is how it works. So maybe I want to sell a book or t-shirt, whatever, just enter that product URL. So let me go to Amazon. Alright guys, now let me do one thing. Let me just select any single product. Let me just select this mobile phone. So let me select that. So maybe I'm just adding a mobile phone. I'll get this link. Now this is the affiliate URL for Amazon. So I'll just click on get link or I'll just click on copy to copy this link. And I'll come over here, enter that link over here under product URL, product button text, buy product, which is fine. Product price, I'll see the price over here, which is 8,000 rupees. So I'm entering everything in dollars. So around $120 maybe. Select that option. Now again, the same options, tax class, what is the tax rate and everything, inventory, how many products. I'm not entering inventory on anything because I don't have these products in stock. This is available with some other seller on Amazon. So I'll just enter the product URL. This is the most important option. Now product image, whatever the product image is, whether it is a t-shirt, a mobile phone, whatever it is, select that thing, select the category, click on publish. The most important thing over here was just the product URL, so that whenever someone clicks on that link, a cookie will be registered, and whenever that person makes a purchase, Amazon or whatever affiliate platform you're using will see that you just referred someone to Amazon or some other website, they made a purchase and you will get a commission. Let's view this product in a new tab. Now as you can see, instead of add to cart, it says buy product. When you click on that buy product link, you will be redirected to Amazon to that product page. Now when I make a purchase, you will get a commission. So this is how it works. After that, we have group product, which is not a very important product, but there is another product which is very important, I think, and that is the digital product. So let's see how we can create that. So click on add new. I'll just type maybe digital product can be like MP3 songs, ebooks, PDFs, those type of thing that you want to sell, okay, online. Now let me just get some long and short descriptions. So for digital products, I'll just select simple, but I'll tick mark these things, virtual and downloadable. Okay, select this. Now the price maybe is $10, and maybe it is a Word file or a PDF file. So I'll enter the name PDF file. Okay, now I'll choose a PDF file, upload it. Let's see whether we have any PDF file or not. Okay, I have this Word file, so I'll just select this Word file. Okay, I'll select this, click on open, click on insert file URL. Download limit unlimited, which is fine. Download expiry never, again fine. Whether this is taxable or not, maybe this is not taxable, so I'll select none. And inventory and everything you can just leave blank. Again, most important thing over here is regular price and the actual file link. Okay, now you can select a new category for this, so I'll just add a new category, PDF. Okay, and product image can be, or I just have these t-shirts image, so I'm selecting that. If it is an ebook, you can have the cover image or anything like that. Now click on publish. Now let's view this product in a new tab. Okay, this is how it will look. Now let me do one thing. Let me just make the price as 0, and let me show you what happens when someone purchases a digital product. Let me refresh this. Now the price is 0. So let me just make a purchase very quickly. Click on add to cart. Now as you can see, has been added to cart. Click on view cart. Let me remove this t-shirt. Now I just have this ebook in the cart. Now I can click on proceed to checkout. Enter all my details over here. Click on place order. Now as you can see, order has been placed. Whenever a person or a customer places an order, they'll get order number, date, email address and everything. Now once we make a purchase for a downloadable product, a digital product, we can just download the file. I can click on PDF file and that file will start downloading, as you can see, like this. And when our person, we don't have those menus over here, but if you see in a website, you'll have this my account page link, and under that you have this download option. So under downloads, when you click on downloads, you will see all the downloaded files that you have purchased, and you can download that from here. So that is how it works. Alright guys, so with this we have seen almost everything that is required or that is important for an e-commerce website. We have seen how to create different type of products. We have seen all the important WooCommerce settings, how to create a coupon and everything. Now let's see what happens when you receive a new order. So whenever you'll receive a new order, you'll see that under WooCommerce, when you hover WooCommerce and click on orders, you'll see those orders over here. Let's see. Now as you can see, just a minute ago, I just completed this order, $0 digital product. So whenever you receive an order, you will see like this. Now let me just place a new order over here. Maybe let me purchase this t-shirt. So blue color t-shirt, let me add this to cart. Click on view cart. Let's see how that thing works. Click on proceed to checkout. All these GST and everything is working, as you can see. Now let me just select cash on delivery and place this order. Okay, this order has been placed. Now let me refresh this orders page. Now as you can see, that one is completed because that was $0, but because this is cash on delivery, we haven't received the cash. It says processing. Now you can see, you can click on this link to see the order detail. You can see what product is ordered, what is the price, what is the GST rate and everything. All the details can be seen from here. Now you can just dispatch this product. You can ship this product to the customer. Once the product is shipped, under status, you can select completed and click on update. Now a person will get a notification that your product is now shipped and this order will be completed. If you want to send some message, some email to the customer, some message to the customer, you can use this thing, order notes, and you can add a note. For example, I can just add a note, your product. You can add any note over here, and instead of private note, you can select this note to customer, click on add. Now that customer will get this message, your product is now shipped. So this is how you create, or this is how you complete an order. Now when you click on orders, you'll see that that order is also completed. Now, as I said you earlier, there is a new feature when you click on WooCommerce, and when you click on dashboard, you will see this dashboard, which I think is a new option, which is still in process. Now this is the dashboard. Now as you can see, this is a new option. You'll see all the details, all the analytics over here. Gross revenue $90, net revenue $80, number of orders you have received, average order value, number of items sold, all the options you can see over here, order count, net revenue, all the options. Okay, what all products are top selling categories, top products which are sold, how many of them are sold, what is your profit, and everything, all the details. If you click on any of one of these, you'll see some more details. For example, if you click on this t-shirt category, you'll see more details related to t-shirt category, what t-shirt is performing well, and everything. So this analytics, I think, is a very, very important thing. You can use this to understand more about your customer, more about your website, what products and what categories are doing well, what product and categories are not doing well. You can work on that. You can, plan everything like that. All right, guys. So with this, we have completed this tutorial. This was a very short tutorial, as compared to other videos on my channel. This was quite a short video. So I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any doubt, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comments section below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in the next video.